Loki, do you really hate me? Really hate me? 'Cause last time we hugged, you never looked me in the eyes. You stole all my love. I know that's right. Now you got me feeling so evil. Save your will. That was loving. Got hurt for loving. Oh, oh, oh. Everything you said was a lie, filthy lie. No can't lie, bandits for my split soul. Nowadays, people just cry till they're about to die. So many times I kept on asking why. Also, you buy trust, 'cause when it's free, it feels so intense. Trying to know her heart, but it was so cold. Trust me, I'ma show you how I ain't on your free time. No discussing, not with that fussing, that shit is disgusting. She on the internet talking, wait till you get caught in person. Just like church, my verse teaching you something. Punch that bro, nah, I ain't plumbing. Get in that spirit. Did you really love me? Yeah, love me. I'll tell my truth. I cannot lie, no filthy lie. No justifying what you did. Trying to love only person get hurt be yourself. I'm not comparing, I'm not keep on shining. This effortless, I'm not shining. Going to my right, it's so much pain, but I'ma keep on fighting. Do you love me? Really love me? Let's go from nothing to loyalty. All I need from you, those loyalties. Always thought as you was my trusty queen. So what did you give me? Everybody in my generation ain't for me. How the pain became so funny. I don't do no telephone, but just vibing. Bring on red, I'm really fun. Fake love driving me crazy. Lokiferg up in this bitch. I know you miss me, 'cause I missed you. Alright, but look, fuck around, fuck all the shits and gigs and all that shit. But we're finna get hopping right into this video. You know, this is something, you know, useful. Just for your mind. You can use this as a tool, play it back. But there's no, I'm finna break down what affirmations are and what they do. Affirmations are positive self-talk, but not just self-talk. You use these affirmations that you're affirming to reprogram old beliefs, systems, and you can have deep subconscious, you know, traumas or anything that you was like programmed when you were like a toddler to when you were 7 through 8, and you can reprogram this now using affirmations. And you can also do these with your kids while they're still growing to they 8, and you can make a warrior or, you know, whatever you let them pay their attention to. But hey, I'm a chill type of person. That's why it sounds like I'm not giving a lot of energy. This is how I give it. Like, you want to be like, what's up? Yeah. So my phone storage was full, so I can't make this video long. I have to make it short. So I'm gonna try to explain every single thing. But I'm not gonna be able to. But I'm gonna explain what I can in the time. So as you can see by this title, we're gonna be doing Aries Sun, Aries Moon, Aries Rising, affirmations. I have wrote down some things, and I'm gonna set you up, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. So another thing on affirmations and the subconscious, it's like you could see things from one way, and you can use affirmations to help your perspective grow, or you know, go into that direction, and you know, you say it throughout the day as in your day-to-day slang. And you know, with me, you know, a good affirmation. This is just an affirmation. It's not for any type of zodiac sign, just like, I'm enough. And, just say that, do shit. Say it anytime you don't feel like you whole. Hey, if you feel like you lacking, just say I'm enough. Got you right there. But yeah, we're gonna do it right here. So we're gonna start with the initiation for the Aries Sun, Aries Moon, Aries Rising. Alright, let's do it. I'm finna say it as fast as I can before it dies. I embrace my inner fire and confidence as an Aries. I am a natural born leader and I trust in my abilities to take charge and make things happen with passion and determination. I fearlessly pursue my dreams and create a path that is uniquely my own. And that was the initiating for the Aries Sun, Moon, Rising. But I got more. As Aries Sun, Moon / Rising, I'm confident in my abilities to take on any circumstance and challenge that comes my way. I trust in my intuition and having the courage to follow it. My fiery Aries energy empowers me to take action towards my goals and dreams. I'm a natural born leader who inspires others with determination and fearlessness. 3. I embrace my independence as an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising. I am not afraid to stand up for myself and fight for what I believe in. I read this, but my phone storage messed up, so I'm going to start all over. So we don't follow. I trust in my ability to manifest all that I desire. With my strong Aries energy, I am unstoppable and pursuing what makes me happy and fulfilled. As an Aries Sun, Moon, and Rising, I live life with passion and excitement. My adventurous spirit takes me on an incredible journey of self-discovery. That was the Aries Sun, Moon affirmations. Rising too. I just know you make my day. It's our world. Guess what they say?